My name is Karen. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make a daisy flower, daisy filled flower. How to make daisy filled flower? To make this flower, you need yellow yarn, green and white felt, pins, scissors, pencil, thread and needle, glue gun, and paper. Draw a daisy. Okay, like that. Cut. Okay, I went ahead and cut from here, so put this aside. If you like, you can also use this one. You can take this one and put here and trace and then cut. It's the easiest way, but I want to do this way, so I'm going to take this pattern, pin it here. By the way, I'm cutting on fold because you need to. So here, okay, pin and cut. Done. And now remove pins. Okay, like that. So now take one of these, okay, and put it here. Okay, like so. Take your needle and thread and sew here at the middle. Okay, like that. Put this aside. Take yellow yarn and do this. Okay, and cut here, here cut. Take a big needle and do this. Okay, like that. After it's done, fold here and make sure it's looking nice. Put here. Use a glue gun and here. Okay, draw a leaf on a paper. take green felt, put here, pin and cut. Okay, like that. Remove pins. Take this, put here, and sew. Okay, like that, it's done. So here, take this thread and put here and sew here. Okay, like that, and leave this amount of string and secure the thread here. And cut. You don't have to put this leaf if you don't like. It's just my creation. If you want it to be more realistic, you can put a stem here, a green stem and some leaves. Thank you for watching. Meet a creator Arigato. Bye.